Welcome back. Well, if you are in the midst of spring cleaning, have you thought about doing your car too?
In our series Keys to Car Maintenance with VanHorn Honda of Glendale, you can learn about the benefits of letting the pros tackle the job.
All right, I am back with Coach Chris, and today we are talking about car detailing. Because here's the deal, Coach. There is a difference between a car wash and a car detail, because they are not the same.
They're not. Car wash is nice, looks good. There's a lot of little things that people aren't getting when they do a regular car wash, which there's a lot of things. It's the door jams, it's the underneath the hood, it's the leaves, the pine needles that gather up. It's a lot of stuff like that. So just washing the outside isn't necessarily the full deal.
That's not the key. You know, here's the thing. You can even just do a vacuum. It's still not the same as a detail. We got to get those French fries that fall in the console and do all those things. Also, this time of year, you help with even some of the salt that gets inside and can really affect our car, and then the air filters too.
Yeah, the filters, the cabin air filter, which is the air that your family breathes when you're in the car. You're gonna want to have that cleaned. And we always take a look at the engine air filter right away too. They're kind of both the same.
Clean them out, because this time of year we want to smell that fresh air. Right. It's a good time of year. What are some of the do's and don'ts of car detailing?
Well, I can tell you don't want to take a rag and just willy-nilly wash your car, because you're gonna have scratches all over it. You're gonna want to use the right stuff, which is why you take it to professionals. They know exactly what to use.
They've got special little tools. I've done it myself. I've used a rag on some electronics. It was a very bad situation, so maybe you can help me fix that. But these are the things. Have a professional do it. You know, schedule it. This time of year, you could gift it for Mother's Day or whatnot, and call ahead, make an appointment. How easy is it to get in?
Yeah, just give a call, make an appointment, and you drop the car off in about a half a day, maybe a little better, depending on the car.
Yeah.
The car's done. You can come pick it up. It's something that would take you a couple days to do. They can get done in hours.
Yeah, hours, because it might be real dirty. How good do you feel when you get back a detailed car?
It's like having a new car. Yeah, it even runs better.
I believe it. Thank you so much, Coach Chris.
Thank you.
I gotta get my car in. Take your car in.
Me too.
To VanHorn Honda of Glendale, and make sure that you mention TMJ4 and the Morning Blend. You're gonna get 20% off your vehicle detailing. So to make an appointment, just call them. It's 414-352-6100. Or for more information, visit VHHondaGlendale.com.
I want that for Mother's Day.
Yeah?
For legit. That's what I want.
Ricky's the best, man. He's great.